Welcome back to our series on irregular verbs. Today we're exploring part 5 of irregular past participles. We'll focus on a specific pattern that makes learning these verbs much easier. Today's pattern is -ow becomes -ow, and this means verbs ending in ow change to own in their past participle form. The three main verbs following this pattern are know becomes known, grow becomes grown, and throw becomes thrown. Let's look at each one in detail. Our first verb is know. The base form is know, the past simple is knew, and the past participle is known. Here are some examples. I have known him for 10 years. She has known the answer all along. This fact has been known since ancient times. Notice how we always use known with have, has, or been. Next is grow. The base form is grow, the past simple is grew, and the past participle is grown. Let's see it in action. The tree has grown very tall. My children have grown so much this year. The city has grown rapidly in recent years. Grown describes something that has increased in size or developed over time. Our third verb is throw. The base form is throw, the past simple is threw, and the past participle is thrown. Here are the examples. He has thrown the ball over the fence. The papers were thrown away by mistake. I have thrown out all the old clothes. Thrown is used when something has been tossed or discarded. There are other verbs that follow the same ow to own pattern. Blow becomes blown, as in the wind has blown. Fly becomes flown, as in she has flown to London. Show becomes shown, as in the movie was shown yesterday. And sow becomes sown, as in the seeds have been sown. All these verbs follow the same pattern we learned today. Let's practice with more sentences. The wind has blown the leaves everywhere. She has flown to Paris many times. The movie was shown on television yesterday. The seeds have been sown in the field. Try to create your own sentences using these past participles to strengthen your understanding. Let's summarize what we learned today. The pattern is -ow becomes -own, know becomes known. Grow becomes grown, throw becomes thrown. Remember this pattern and practice using these verbs in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll master these irregular verbs in no time. See you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.